One. Today topic is SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction. It is also called as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, here first of all, what is meant by SN1 reaction? Here rate depends upon concentration. Rate depends upon concentration of only one reactant. Only one reactant is known as SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction means if you observe that R is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. R is directly proportional to concentration of alkyl halide. That's why it is rearrangement is possible. So rearrangement is possible. Rearrangement is possible in SN1 reaction. It is also called as unimolecular. Why this is unimolecular? Why the SN1 reaction is unimolecular? Because of it follows first order kinetics. It follows first order kinetics. So it is a unimolecular. Which one? SN1 reaction is a unimolecular. It's a very important point. Okay na? Next one is it involves two steps. Okay, it involves two steps. Which one? SN1 reaction involves two-step reaction. That is in that first step is a slow step reaction. It is a slow step reaction. First step is a slow step reaction. Second step is fast step reaction. First of all, we discussed about that first step. How the first step is going on in SN1 reaction. Means here it is a slow step, already we discussed. Slow step. Okay. Here in this case, if you observe that cleavage of bond between alkyl halide gives carbocation is formed. Means it is a reaction intermediate is formed. Next one is coming to that next step is a second step is a fast step reaction. It is a product will be formed in this second step reaction. It is a fast step reaction. In that first step, carbocation is formed. That carbocation is attacked by nucleophile. To give product. Means in SN1 reaction, in second step only the product is obtained. The first step, what will happen in this case? Carbocation is formed. In second step only product is formed. What is the reactivity order? SN1 reactivity order. What is the reactivity order of SN1 reaction? It's very important for JEE and NEET level. Okay na, here tertiary and secondary and primary and alkyl halide. Means tertiary is more greater than that of secondary and primary and alkyl halide. This is that SN1 reaction. Okay na. Now mechanism of SN1. Coming to that mechanism of SN1 reaction. Mechanism of SN1 reaction is if you are taking that carbon in the central metal atom and its surrounding that alkyl groups are present. These are alkyl groups, R and R dash and R double dash is alkyl groups, and it is attached to the halide group, so it is called as alkyl halide. This carbon is called as chiral carbon. This carbon is called as chiral carbon. Because of why this carbon is called as chiral carbon? Because of different alkyl groups are attached. So it is a chiral carbon. That alkyl halide is ionization will be takes place. Ionization of alkyl halide. Ionization of alkyl halide. It is a slow step reaction. Means first step reaction. It is a slow step reaction. It is a first step reaction. Okay na? Then what will happen in this case? If you observe that here carbocation means cleavaging of, already we discussed. What we discussed before already? Cleavage of bond between carbon and halide. Cleavage of bond between carbon and halide to give a carbocation, that is intermediate is formed. That is the intermediate carbocation is formed. Means here orbital diagram will show, and here R and here R dash and here R double dash. Here carbocation is formed. Now the carbocation, again second step, what will going on? Second step, OH group means nucleophile is attached to the front side. Another case also there, that is back side attack will be takes place. Front side and back side will be takes place. The front side OH group is attached, that is called as retention. If you observe that here retention configuration, front side OH group is attached, that is called as retention of configuration. Okay na? Retention of configuration. That time what will happen? The front side OH group is attached, R dash and R double dash, and here OH group. Next one is back side OH group is attached, that is inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration is taking place. Means what will happen? What will happen? R dash and R double dash. R double dash will be takes place here. OH group back side is attached. This is called as inversion. This is called as retention will be takes place. Means a note point is there. That is very important point. Very useful point for JEE and NEET level. Okay na? The retention and inversion. What is meant by retention? What is meant by inversion? Already we know. Front side OH group is attached, that is called as retention. Back side OH group is attached, that is called as inversion. Okay na? Retention inversion is possible possible in chiral carbon. Very important point. Chiral carbon. What is meant by chiral carbon? What is meant by chiral carbon? Means different alkyl groups are attached. This is called as chiral carbon. This is called as chiral. This is called as chiral carbon. This is called as chiral carbon. Okay, na chiral carbon. Different alkyl groups are attached. That is called as chiral carbon. Retention and inversion is possible in chiral carbon only. That is main important point for JEE and NEET level. Next one is the two products. The two products, that is 50% inversion, 50% and retention will be takes place. Two products are obtained. That two products, that same percentage. So this is called as racemic mixture. This is called as racemic mixture. Okay na, racemic mixture. These are mirror images. These two are mirror images each other. The OH group and here OH group, entirely the places are different. So it is a mirror images. This is mirror. If you are kept the mirror in between the two substances, two products, then what will happen here? Mirror images each other. So it is a optically active. Means D and L isomerism is formed. DL mixture is formed. Okay na? It is also called a anisomer product also it is obtained. Okay na? Here in this case this is the in this case it is optically active and DL forms are obtained, and it is also called as anisomers product. This is the video of SN1 reaction. If you are like this video, please like and comment and share and subscribe my channel. Okay na? Thank you all of you. Thank you.